Good morning, juice lovers. Looking to kickstart your day with something fresh, healthy, and packed with nutrients? Well, today we are sharing 10 healthy juices you should try for breakfast, and we'll explain the amazing benefits of each one. Let's get juicing. First up, we have the classic orange juice. Why choose it? It's loaded with vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and helps your body absorb iron. Plus, it's full of antioxidants that fight inflammation, perfect for staying healthy year-round. Next, we have carrot juice. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which supports eye health and gives your skin a healthy glow. Plus, they're a great source of vitamin A and potassium, keeping your body fueled and hydrated. Looking for a natural energy booster? Beetroot juice is rich in nitrates, which help lower blood pressure and improve your endurance. It's also high in iron and folate, perfect for keeping your blood healthy and your energy up. Let's go green. This green juice made with spinach, kale, and celery is packed with fiber, vitamins A, C, and K, and iron. It's an all-in-one detoxifier that also boosts your energy and supports healthy digestion. Feeling thirsty? Watermelon juice is super hydrating and low in calories, making it perfect for a refreshing start to the day. It's also high in lycopene, an antioxidant that's great for your heart. Up next is pineapple juice. Not only is it sweet and delicious, but it also contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps with digestion. Plus, it's full of vitamin C and manganese, which support your immune system and keep your bones strong. Want to keep inflammation at bay? Pomegranate juice is loaded with antioxidants, and studies suggest it can reduce inflammation and support heart health. A great way to improve your circulation and keep your heart happy. Let's not forget apple juice. It's light, refreshing, and a great source of fiber, especially if you go for unfiltered juice. The vitamin C helps boost your immune system, and the natural sugars give you a quick energy boost. Looking for something to support weight management? Grapefruit juice is a low-calorie option rich in vitamins A and C. It boosts your metabolism and supports healthy, glowing skin. Finally, we have cucumber mint juice, the ultimate hydrating juice. Cucumbers are full of water and contain silica, which is great for your skin and hair. Add some mint for a refreshing touch that also aids digestion and reduces bloating. So there you have it, 10 healthy juices to supercharge your mornings. Whether you're looking for immune support, heart health, glowing skin, or just a quick energy boost, these juices have you covered. Which one are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more healthy food ideas. Until next time, stay healthy.